Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time watching my video, I am Tata Glory Zoe, the founder of Kabanika Educational Center. So today we are going to be looking at letter A, making the sound R. Yes, letter A, making the sound R. You need to open your mouth wide enough. R. Just like when you go to see the doctor and the doctor says, open your mouth. What will you do? R. Yes, that's it. R. It sounds like R. Yes. R. 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 Yes. So this is the long sound of letter A. The long sound of letter A. Where can you find father? Father. Father. Car. Car. Far. Far. Fart. Cart. Cat. The cart is in the car. The cart is in the car. My father is in the car. My father is in the car. See you in the next video. Bye.